Welcome to How to Logic Pro. If you're looking to master Logic Pro 11, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick tour of the Logic Pro 11 interface so you can hit the ground running with your music production. But first, click the subscribe button so you'll always be ahead of the audio production game. Let's start with the main window, the heart of Logic Pro 11. This is where most of your work will happen. On the left, you'll find the inspector, where you can see track details, volume, and pan controls. The central area is the tracks area, where you'll arrange and edit your music. Above that is the control bar, with buttons to play, stop, and record, as well as your transport controls. Now let's take a closer look at the inspector. This section gives you detailed control over the selected track. You can adjust the volume, pan, and effect settings right from here. Plus, the inspector is context sensitive, meaning it changes depending on what you have selected, giving you quick access to the parameters you need. Next, we have the tracks area. This is where the magic happens. You'll drag and drop loops, record audio, and arrange your tracks here. You can add multiple tracks and arrange them in different ways to create your song structure. Above the tracks area is the control bar. Here you can control playback, recording, and more. You'll also find the transport controls: play, stop, record, and cycle, which are essential for managing your project's flow. To the left, you have access to other important windows like the library, mixer, and editors. The library lets you browse and load sounds quickly. The mixer is where you'll fine-tune your track levels and add effects. And the editor is where you can get into the details of MIDI and audio regions. And that's your quick tour of the Logic Pro 11 interface. In the next video, we'll dive into setting up your first project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.